All right, guys, so here at the market, picking up some watermelon because you already know about that watermelon diet for the people who's following Cali Muscle. Check it out. So there's a lip right there, looks dang good, and I have something in my hand, and it is so dope. I have the smog certificate. She's smogged, and it's surreal. I love the feeling. A little bit of the tape is coming up right here. I mean, it hasn't moved, but I just placed it wrong, so I gotta cut it right there. So yeah, so it's right there. It's dang nice. So next is to go to the DMV after picking up my watermelon, and then get the registration. So I'm gonna do a little vlog there. And man, is that a fresh ding? No, it's old. You can see it right there. God. And then this is from the rain. It drips through the concrete inside the garage. But yeah, so there she is right there. Black interior is pretty filthy inside, but it's all good. That looks pretty dang clean. But yeah, so let's go to the DMV after I get these melons. All right, guys, so just got the watermelons right there. Look up Cali Muscle. And yeah, he's doing that all watermelon diet, but I'm not doing it. I'm just, having it as a snack. But yeah, so, and those are not for me, the Cheetos, but yeah. All right, so let's get the hell out of here. All right, guys, so at the DMV right here in Hollywood, and yeah, smog, everything's good to go. So about to go in, let's get this done. All right, guys, so best thing ever, finally in line, get that sticker. All right, guys, so hello.
Hello. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so finally got the tag. Everything's all good. And there she is right there. Post it, chilling. Oh yeah, so this is such a good feeling. Finally, these old cars could be on the road for 2 more years. But yeah, if they make it out alive without somebody hitting it. All right, guys, so just put the thing on, the sticker, and man, the car is filthy. Here's my little RC car. This is from 1986. It's a Tamiya Tamtec, and as you can see right there, it's a 180 size motor, and I cut that little carbon fiber piece and I shaped it and I put it in there. Looks pretty cool. What the hell's that? But yeah. All right. But yeah, so this is a micro ESC. I actually got that pinion gear right there, the small one from Amazon. It came in like a pack of 12, like a toy replacement set, and it just happened to fit the 180 size motor. And yeah, I'm gonna run this thing right now. It's a 2S LiPo, 1000 milliamp. It's a 30 amp ESC, very, very small. See these very little small leads, and full size receiver. I took out the vintage, what is that? Some type of control unit right there, and I put my own micro servo. And yeah, so let's run this thing real quick. I can show you guys. I just turned it on. Right there, and then I can't really take a good video, but you guys kind of get it. This thing is super awesome, super fun. It's got good brakes too, and it fits in your pocket. It's a 1/24 scale, so it's a little bit bigger, about an inch bigger, especially with this long bumper. Yeah, this thing has like a more of a LM style body to it, and yeah, it's like a lot bigger than the Mini Z. I got Mini Z bearings in there, so it rolls really nice. And since this thing is 37 years old, if I blow that diff right there, little differential, because it actually has a real working differential, that part is about 40 bucks, so that kind of sucks. And so yeah, and it's got actual suspension in the rear, and it's got front springs right there, much like a pan car, so it actually does have front suspension. And these dang brakes are cooking me. So yeah, all right guys, just wanted to show you guys my little project car, little RC car. And yeah, if you guys want to see any more little vlogs like this, let me know, and I'll deliver. But this is bugging the hell out of me, so that's gonna be on the list soon. And then I'm also gonna be painting the front of the hood, because there's dents and body work all right here, because this was repainted, the bumper was repainted, and it came out nice, but the body work is like bad. All right guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.